Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back.
You're losing it.
Safety dashes and non-safety dashes.
Welcome back!
Welcome back.
Woo! What are we doing today?
Signs.
Slime! We're making slime. This is against my better judgment, but here we go. We're gonna do it! Are we gonna do it? What kind are we making? We're gonna make glitter slime. Which one's yours and which one's mine? You like blue. This one's mine? Okay. Can you hold them up? Woo! We got glitter slime that we're gonna make. So that's gonna be the first one that we'll do. We got this stuff. What's this for?
Fluffy sign.
Fluffy slime! And then, what's this one? Clear slime! And we're gonna add some fun stuff to it. We have a bunch of glitter here. He's gonna pick out his favorite colors. And what colors do you think you're gonna put in this one? Blue! Blue! Light blue, dark blue. We're pointing to a bunch of them, so we're gonna add a lot of stuff to it. So, okay, so we are gonna get started, and which one do you wanna make first? You wanna do the clear and do all the adding stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we're gonna do the clear one first. So, first, what do we gotta do?
Did the safety deal on?
Safety gear, what? All right, let's snap, let's get it on. We got our safety gear on. Who's ready to make slime?
Me.
Woo! So first and foremost, we need a bowl, right?
Yeah.
To make it in. All right, and then we got this clear glue here, right here. Can you say Elmer's glue?
Anthony and that's it.
All right, and then we got, no, you're gonna fall. And then we got this right here for the contact solution. There we go. And baking soda.
Yay!
Say baking soda.
Baking soda.
Soda. All right, here we go. We're gonna use a metal spoon because I'm hoping that's the least amount of sticking, right? Are you gonna use your hands in the slime? I don't have to use my hands, do I? No.
Yeah.
Ew, no.
Let's feel that.
Okay, so for our recipe that we found for the clear slime, it is, let's see, it says 6 ounces of glue, so we'll try to measure out 6 ounces or so. He's on the run. 1 1/4 tablespoons of contact solution. He went and found the cup I couldn't find. You're so smart. Okay, so 6 ounces of glue, 1 1/4 tablespoons of contact solution, and 1/2 tablespoon of what?
Baking soda.
Baking soda. All right, so let's get to making this slime, shall we? Hey there.
First we need a bowl.
Okay, first we need a bowl.
Then we need glue.
Glue, all right. Okay, you gonna help me pour? Okay, so we need to pour this. We are at the 6 right here.
First we need a bowl.
All right, we got our glue.
Second we need that.
Okay, sprinkle it in. Go and dump it in. Keep a hold.
All them. Whoa.
Ooh, it's sticky. Do you like it?
Get this off me.
Okay, we're able to just kind of wipe it off with a paper towel here, right? All right, so we are gonna pour this slime out onto this tray and show you guys what creation we're gonna make, right? Yeah, you're gonna get really sticky. We're gonna get sticky. Ah! You wanna feel it? It's stuck around my hands. Okay, so you gotta spread it out.
I do that with you.
Go ahead.
I thought I did.
You just kind of shake it on there. Good job. Over here. You want me to shake some? It's kind of hard.
No.
Okay. Sit up a little bit. Okay.
And I can hold this. Then
Is it cool? Do you want to put some glitter in it?
yeah. It's like wraps.
Spider-Man webs.
Ah!
Let's get some glitter. Let's switch it up and put some glitter in there. Okay, hold on just a second. This looks awesome. You did a great job.
Yes.
Whoop. Okay. Hey,
These are me.
what are you trying to do? Okay, ready? Here we go. Glitter slime. You made a really cool color.
Sign. No. We did, Mom.
You got webs.
Next, do the sign.
I got pink.
I got blue.
All right, we got 2 separate bowls here. I got mine. Where's your bowl?
Right here.
Right
Green.
here. Green bowl. I got a clear bowl. We're gonna make our slimes, and then who knows? We might even mix them after. Should we mix them? What color do you think pink mixed with blue would make? He thinks purple. Comment below if you think it's gonna be purple or what color you think it's gonna be.
Red.
Red.
What? Red or purple? What?
Okay, so first we got to dump all of the glue in the bowl. Hey, why is yours coming out faster? Hey, why is yours coming out faster? Was that you?
No.
Get out of the bottle.
Welcome back to the channel.
All right, here. You dumping it?
Now what?
And then hold it up again. Dump.
Tell me that the sign in here. Good.
That'll help.
Let me see yours.
I still gotta stir in some of the liquid in mine. Okay, so this slime is different than our first one that we made.
Ah!
Is it really slimy? Like this one's like really sticky, like it's not even absorbing the contact solution. What is happening?
Sign.
I don't like this one. Do you like this one?
No.
No, me either.
Yes.
We don't like this one.
Yes,
The other one's way better.
Yes.
I don't know where our other one went, but it's way better. I think we should move. Ew! Blue snot! Okay, I think we should move on to the fluff slime. What do you think? I'm not digging this. He thinks the fluff slime is going to be so much better than the other
Toss
two.
it soft and not it so tippy.
Okay. Should we mix these two to see what color we get? We did ask them what color we were going to get. Should we try it?
Red and purple.
Kinda. It kind of looks like cotton candy. I don't know. It's periwinkle. I'll call it periwinkle. Purple-ish, I guess. It's not all the way mixed together. It's starting to get better the more that we need it. It's not as sticky. I'm really sticky because Asher just grabbed my arm. What do we think? No. Oh, come on! Stop it!
Welcome back.
All right, what kind are we doing now?
Fluffy.
Fluffy slime.
Have a top of do. Whoa.
Don't.
Let me compare it. Oh, it did.
Oh! Fluffy slime is very interesting. What do you think about it? Oh!
Some Sophie there, but then not tomorrow.
Oh no. Ah!
Yes, that me. Is that me, Mom? Is that me? The hand.
Asher, look, you can't even see my hand. Looks like the Venom stuff. I don't know how we're gonna get this off.
This one is really teddy from the other ones.
Did we do something wrong?
Maybe. Ah! Yeah.
Looks like one of those taffy stretchers, doesn't it? Where it stretches the taffy. My hands are completely submerged in this. What color did we put in here? Green. We might need a little bit more. It's only like a light green. We did 2 drops.
Do mine too.
So which one is the messiest out of all 3 slimes that we did?
This one.
This one. we can't get it off. Which was your favorite slime to make? The glitter? Like which glitter one though? The second one or the first one where you poured your own glitter in? The first one where you made your own glitter? That was really cool. All right, so we had how many different kinds of slime today? 3 different kinds. Which was the first one that we made? That one. And you made your own glitter with that one. You mixed in the pigment and all that stuff, right? And then what was the second one we made? No, second. That one. And this was where the glitter was already in the glue, right? Okay. And then this was the last one.
And that was all over my hands.
It was all over his hand. So messiest was this one, right? Yeah? Say, let us know what you want to see next.
Let us know what you want to see next. Superheroes.
Superheroes. What do you want to see about superheroes?
Avengers Studio.
Avengers Studio. Marvel Studios, right?
Marvel Studios.
Don't forget to like this video.
Don't forget not this video.
Say, like this video.
Like this video.
Say, and subscribe.
And today,
Say, thanks for watching.
thanks for watching.